In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to get the best cooking results with your air fryer. We recommend following these guidelines to prevent overcooking or undercooking foods, so you can cook your meals stress-free. Firstly, the positioning of the air fryer is something to consider. Check that the vents are not blocked or covered and allow plenty of clearance around the appliance. This allows sufficient airflow and means the appliance can operate effectively. When using your air fryer, it's important all cooking instructions are followed. This means setting the correct cooking temperature and cooking times. We recommend checking any recipes for specific timings. When filling the basket, avoid overfilling it. Look for a max fill line or refer to your user manual for the maximum capacity. If overfilled, it can prevent even cooking and may result in some food burning and some food being undercooked. We recommend shaking and rotating food midway for even heating coverage. This can allow you to gain some more control over the cooking and even gives you the ability to crisp your items to perfection. If you're cooking frozen food, it's important to make sure to check if your food needs defrosting before cooking or not. Without doing so, it can risk uneven and unexpected cooking results and times. It is also recommended to avoid using high-fat content food where possible, as these can heat up quickly and burn. By following these tips, you can get the best cooking results from your air fryer. For more information on your air fryer, please check the user manual or visit argos-support.co.uk.